everybody, how y'all doing? Are you okay in your neck of the woods? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican cooking journey. If you're new right on over here, special welcome. Those of you who were there with me from the beginning of this journey and you're still here, manners and respect. On today's episode of the Jamaican cooking journey, we're going to be doing for you Jamaican culture juice. I think I have one there that I've done earlier when I just came on the tube. I'm going to show you how you can do it all a different way and you get the same result. Now with this Jamaican culture juice, you can add whatever you want. There are some ingredients where I would also think you should not leave out, which is the Guinness. The carrot is a must. Some people put dragon, some people put lots and lots of different stuff. But the carrot and the Guinness, they are a must in this Jamaican culture juice. Okay? Some people break an egg, but not just any egg. The country, the common fowl, the fowl in the country, those eggs. You know them, they're the real deal. And all of that. So we're gonna be doing this Jamaican culture juice drink again. So what I'm gonna show you right here and now is you're gonna need some carrots. The carrot with the brighter color, it's best. We call him in Jamaica, we call him curry carrot. It has this rich color. So whenever even richer than this, So I do my carrot like this. My carrot is washed already. So I would normally scrape. People would say, look here, I don't scrape it, Debbie, because all of them, I just wash it and do it like this. But when I scrape it, I get all of these. With the experience that I have from this, me know say this bitter. So if I should go about peeling 3 or 4 sides of this carrot without scraping it, my juice would be bitter. The Guinness did a bitter already and all of that. So if it is that you want it that way, then you can go ahead. But I would prefer to scrape mine. So I'm going to finish scraping this thing out. If you can peel it too with your vegetable peeler. But I prefer to scrape or use my little knife or whatever knife. I always scrape. So you want to get the skins of the carrot off. All scraped and all of that. So as I told you, fam, these parts of the carrot, the peel, and people who know about carrot, it's bitter, So if it is that you want the bitterness in there from the carrot skin and you think it have nutrients and vitamins and stuff for you and you want to use it, go ahead. I just honestly can't take the bitterness. I just choose to do it without. What you want to do now, you want to slice it as thin as possible. Thin that you can literally see through it. You know that kind of thinness there? Yeah, because you want to cook it. Slice it really thin. Because when the thinner you slice it, the faster it cooks. This is the one that I have here that has been cooked. And I like that. Okay? Now, I was just demonstrating how I prepare my carrot to you. So, you can go ahead. What I want to say to you now is this. You can get the processed cooked and pureed carrot. We're going to use it to become a puree in the blender. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to be going ahead to start this puree. So me have my carrot them in there. This look like about 3 or 3.5 cup of cooked carrot. So you cook it with a small amount of water. And if you want it to fast, or you feel like you don't drink culture juice and you can't wait, you can get the one that is already been processed in the tin. If you're abroad, I think somebody can say in the comment section, or you must get it at your regular supermarket and all of that. So we're going to go now. And I'm going to get it to become puree. So I soon come. So this is carrot water that I drained from the carrot because I thought I had too much. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little to it. Okay? And I'm going to also add some ice. And we're going to add some, put this thing here, some ice crush. I hope we are ready and all of that. So we're going to put it on. You're going to use your ice crush. We have ice crush right here. Yeah. This is what we have. Okay, so now we're gonna bring it to a more smoother consistency, more like a drink. So we use the ice at this point because we want to keep the drink cool. We don't want to add ice at the end of it. So I'm gonna go now and I'm gonna start putting my Guinness and all of that, because this I've washed it already and all of that. You might want to put in all. If not, you want to leave back a little of it. We're gonna put in a little bit of what is this? This is vanilla, not a lot. You don't need more than a teaspoon in this. This is not baking a cake. This is just a little bit of a thing. So we're gonna get our milk. With this milk, we're gonna get it cut, and this is also evaporated milk. This is for sweetening, and this is for to bring it creamy. It's supposed to finish with a creamy texture. Okay, so I'm soon come. Okay, now some family, we are back. So what I'm gonna be doing now, I'm gonna be pouring in some evaporated milk. You may want to use, depending. So we want to use just a little bit leave. We'll be putting in all of our sweetener. This is gonna be the sweetener. And you say water already and something and all of that. We're gonna be putting in just a little bit of a nutmeg. Don't go too crazy with this nutmeg, okay? It is toxic, so you don't want to go too crazy with nutmeg. Google it and you will know. Also, very importantly, you want to put a little salt. And you just want to put like a small dash, not a lot of salt. And we're going to go now and we're going to start with purine again. And this basically is just like for the basic part of it. You can put other things, you can add, you can move, you can do what you want to do. So we're going to go now. This time we're going to be using puree. You're an ice crush then, puree. You're going to do this for a pretty good minute or a minute and a half to get that nice creamy texture, cool and everything, well cold, so you don't have to add ice and all of that. So we're going to puree for a good, pretty about minute and a half or two. And when we return, a drink, we're going to drink. Okay, now fam, we are finished. So you want to puree until you have this consistency, okay? And as soon as you finish pureeing, you just want to pour. Okay, you want to have this finishing color and you want to have this consistency. We have pre-decorated the edge of the hourglass for you, and we have got a little straw right in here for you. This is how simple this Jamaican culture juice is. As I said before, it's a perfect time with all of this grilling, backyard grilling, with all of that eat. Where you want outside. The men, the Jamaican men, they love it. Women too. Tell me what you know about this drink here in the comment section. Anywhere you left Jamaica and go, you always want some of it. Please do enjoy. From my Jamaican kitchen to wherever you are, to your back door cooking, to your grilling, to everything, it is Jamaican culture juice. Please do enjoy once more. Now, as I said to you, it must come with a perfect consistency. Must, you don't want it long water out, you know. And it is cold, so you don't want to have ice. So when you add the ice to it and start to get thin. So that is the trick, is to just crush the ice whilst you're doing it. So you will have, you can maneuver the thickness of it. Okay, we have done one before, but we did it a little different. And as I said, you can put where you want put. Don't let it be too sweet. Make sure it's cold and all of that. If you have liked this video, remember to give me a fat thumbs up, especially this time of the year where the people in the Albo. Tomorrow is Independence, okay? And all of that. Well, for Jamaican big time backyard cookout, anywhere everybody have come together to cook. Remember this and all of that. So thanks once more for the love. Thanks once more for the support. Remember to make sure that you're subscribed to the Jamaican cooking journey. When you do, remember to make sure you hit the notification bell. Press the bell. When you press the bell, 3 options are there to the side. Press the option that says all. Therefore, you'll be notified each time I upload a video. Thanks for the love. Remember, our little merch is there. or Cash App or PayPal or email address. And my business number is on Instagram. You can go check it out for whatever the reason you want to get on to me. Whatever the reason outside of Anky Panky, it is there for you. Thanks so much for the love and support. And happy independence when it comes to all my Jamaicans at home and abroad. Remember to be you, do you. Most of all, love up yourself with some of that Jamaican culture juice here. Okay?